Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today we're making lotus root stir fry. Without further ado, let's get started. First up, slice 300 grams of lotus root into beautiful rounds. Here is a professional tip. Immediately put these slices into cold water to keep them from turning brown. It is like giving them a little protection shield. Then prepare your aromatics. Cut 10 grams of ginger into diamond shapes. Dice 10 grams of red bell pepper into similar shapes, and slice 10 grams of green onion whites into sections. Now, bring 500 milliliters of water to a boil and add 5 grams of salt and 10 milliliters of white vinegar. Drop in those lotus root slices and let them blanch for just 2 minutes. We want them tender but still crispy. Then give them a quick ice bath to stop the cooking process. Think of it as a refreshing spa treatment for our lotus root. Heat up 15 milliliters of oil in your wok and toss in those ginger slices. Let them dance around for a few seconds until fragrant. Add your green onions and bell peppers and stir fry until you can smell that amazing aroma. Finally, add your blanched lotus root slices, season with 3 grams of salt and 5 milliliters of vinegar, and give everything a good stir. Oh my goodness, the smell is incredible. The lotus root should be perfectly crispy tender with a slightly sweet taste. Friends, you must try our lotus root stir fry. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.